Okay, I have here one of quads exactly with the same problem with the noise. Let's see, let me take this out. Okay, exactly the same problem. I will show you why this happens, okay, in the next. Okay, about the noise. Left side, okay. Right side, not okay. Definitely on the right side, okay? Right side. Okay, what is the problem? Inside this small compartment here, there is a small screw that with the, maybe with the traveling, that small screw unscrews, and inside this part it will shake and then make that noise. I will show you. Okay, if you remove, you don't need to do this by yourself, of course, but this is just to explain you why. Okay, you can remove this. It's easy to remove. Okay, then you have, let's see, you have 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and another one here. Okay, you need to use this kind of screwdriver. Okay, then you need to remove both the 4. Okay, I will pause the video and then I take it out everything. Okay, now I have removed the 4 screws. Then this will go out. Okay, we need to make it smooth in order not to break. Okay, it will go out, and then you can remove the entire speaker. Okay, now you pay attention with this small wire. Okay, as you can see, no noise here. You have no noise. Okay, but here in the right side, okay, look, we have still the noise. Okay, so now with a different screwdriver like this, okay, I will take out this small piece. It's the only way I can access there, because not to damage, so I do this, a little pressure. Okay, and then I remove, look, I remove this part. Okay, this piece. Okay, now you see inside, let's see if we can film this better. Inside here, let's see. Okay, look, this is the problem. This small. Now, as you can see, you don't have any more noises. Okay, so this little screw here, see, it's a real small screw, unscrews from this part. It won't damage anything, it won't break anything, it won't lose anything. It's just to firm a little better this part here. So, but it's okay, don't it works still. So one thing you can do is just open, take this out, and you solve the problem. Okay, this is I think, because it's not totally screw and strong screw, sometimes with the vibration on the trip, maybe it loses. Okay, it's not a good thing to happen, but it happens. So it's not the first one that happened with you. There was a few that we have that problem. It's a problem, okay, that we need to solve. But you solve it like this, okay? Okay, this is the problem. Now it's solved. See, no more noises. It's fine. Okay?